What's that a reminder about? The squeaky wheel gets the grease?
I didn't think it was going to be airborne.
Yeah, jets can take a little while. Their wheels are a little smaller on this grass. Okay, just a reminder, it looks like your gears and flaps are still on.
Flaps up. You're
Nice. We're going to put that GPS logger on this one and see what she does. I'm guessing it's probably 95, 97. This is your second flight on this, right?
yeah, and actually first full flight.
Nice.
Start to finish.
Yeah, she's pretty quick. Is that a full throttle pass?
No, I'll give you a full throttle pass here. I did this one. See it?
You're good.
Too quick for me.
You say that now, but wait, you get 10 flights under your belt with this and you'll be ripping it around full throttle all the time. Jets only look scary, man. Once you get a well-behaved one like this, you can just have a load of fun tossing it around. I think that's why I like this one so much when you let me fly it that first time, is it behaves a lot like the Rebel does. It's flies good fast and slow. It lands beautifully. Perfect. Look at you, man.
Going perfect, man.
Nah, it was perfect, believe me.
First time.
Second landing on a jet, first one on your own, right?
Yep.
That was perfect. All right, eFlite Viper, pilot Pete at the sticks.